Hello dear students, today topic of this lecture is vehicle and their specification, unit number 3. Topic is electric vehicles. Nowadays electric vehicles demand is going to increase in future or nowadays because of the prices of the petrol, diesel, that is conventional IC engine fuel cost is going to high, and these are responsible for pollutions. Petrol, diesel, CNG vehicles are responsible for environmental air pollutions. That's why there is a need of use of these electric vehicles. Introduction of the electric vehicles. Electric vehicle is an automobile that is propelled by one or more electrical motor. In case of electrical vehicle, there is a replacement of IC engine, internal combustion engine, and the power source is electrical motor. Electrical motor power is utilized to drive the wheels of vehicle. Now block diagram of electric vehicles. There is a battery is the main power source of electrical vehicle. Then power converter, electrical motor, transmission drive shaft, and wheel. The battery charging is necessary for the electrical vehicle. The battery power is given to the power converter, where convert DC to AC as per requirement of electrical motor, and this power is given to the electrical motor, and electrical power is given to the drive shaft, and again the power is transmitted from transmission drive shaft to the wheel. The driver presses the acceleration, which send the signal to the controller. Actually, controller, how to control the speed of the electrical motor, how this operates. The driver presses the accelerator, which sends to the signal to the controller. Depending upon signal received, a microprocessor based controller allows the voltage supply to the motor. The speed of motor varied by varying the voltage across the motor smoothly and sleepily through the accelerator. Motor is connected to the gearbox. From gearbox, mechanical energy is transmitted to the wheels to the differential gearbox. The motor can be used as a generator to charge the battery. This is very simple block diagram of electrical vehicle. What are the advantages of electrical vehicles? Number one, that is reduce the dependence on oil and gasoline. Because of too much oil, gasoline, petrol, diesel required for our country. Our country depends on supplier of the oil and gasoline such as Kuwait and other countries, Gulf countries. So by using this electrical vehicle, we can reduce the dependence on oil and gasoline. That is the biggest advantages. Second, the high operational reliability is there. Third one is the pollution and noise free. There is no pollution, no combustion of air fuel mixture take place in case of electrical vehicle, because of there is a replacement of this IC engine. So no pollution take place. Only electrical motor is required, and electrical motor power is utilized to drive the vehicle. Also it's a noise free. Electrical vehicle is noise free. There is no any combustion volume. That's why it's noise free. And the battery is used as a recyclable batteries no fire hazards because there is no fuel tank required, so that may be the possibility of hazards, fire hazards. So no fuel is required, no fuel tank is required. Low maintenance and low operation cost because of, in case of IC engine, there are more components are required: piston, connecting rod, crank. These are the various components required for the internal combustion engines. These components are not required for electric vehicles. That's why low maintenance as well as low operation cost of the electric vehicles. There are some disadvantages of electric vehicles. The limited range of one time charging, that is near about 10 to 100 miles per charge. After charging, full charging, the capacity of the vehicle to run is near about 100 to 80 to 100 miles per charge. High initial cost, the cost of electric vehicle is very high, and the speed of vehicle is very low speed. Another disadvantage is batteries need frequent recharging, and sometimes the battery charging time is very high, maybe 3 to 5 hours, 3 to 8 hours required battery charging time. Also, another disadvantage for the electric vehicle is silence may be fatal because there is no any combustion sound. Motor run very silently, that can be fatal, uncomfortable.